Hi, I'm Tom.
And I'm Gaz.
And this is Project Fuse.
Today, we're working on the Honda.
This is my 2002 Honda Integra. It has a naturally aspirated VTEC engine with a 5-speed manual transmission.
The first thing to do is to get the parts.
For my parts, bro? Of course. So is this going to make me go any faster?
No.
But it's going to make me look mad, right?
This is the stock gear assembly. The knob is made of plastic and the shift boot is cracking and falling down. We'll be updating the interior with the goodies in Josh's bag.
Alright. We'll be replacing the shift boot with this shift boot. We'll be replacing the gear knob with this gear knob. And we'll be using this screwdriver to remove the plastic trim.
Screw your knob until it falls off.
Be afraid, hard not to hesitate.
With the aid of the screwdriver or the trim removal kit, disassemble the surrounding plastic covers.
The original shift boot is stapled to the plastic. Use the screwdriver to remove the staples.
Pencil pushers pushing dimes, take my words, take my rhymes, confuse the left with my right to share or give away, my right to say how I say it's mine to give my words, my heart.
When you're done, rip out the shift boot. Remove the collar. This is a good time to paint it if you want to. We're painting it black for extra stealth. This is the result.
Flip the new shift boot inside out and stick your collar in. Secure it with a cable tie if you want to.
With a bit of strength and perseverance, install the new shift boot into the plastic with a screwdriver or a butter knife.
Without question. This time let's vibe one time without weapons and groove through the music in the school session. This time let's vibe one time without weapons and the beat to me like sap through a tree. It's in me. The rap happens to set me free instantly when the mic touch this MC. Without the mic, this MC feel empty. I'm telling y'all, it's the lyrical recipe, lyrical ecstasy. Hearing no less from me, I accept and expect no less than the best and inject intellect without disrespect. Come on, be cool, just move with the groove. No funk in here, the beat way too smooth. Let's just do what we came to do, just vibe, yeah, vibe, yeah, cool, be cool, just move with the groove. No funk in here, the beat way too smooth. Let's just do what we came to do.
So after you install your mad new shift boot into the plastic trim, only thing left to do is put it back in the car, so let's do it.
Said mad again.
I know, but I don't care.
The console snaps back in without too much trouble.
Screw your knob back on until it's hard.
And when you're done, give your old parts to a friend in need.
Hello. What's up? Got you a new... What? New keyboard. I don't... Manual. I don't manual. See, what the f***? Get out of here, you crazy kids.
The metal knob adds a bit of weight, making each shift that little bit more satisfying.
As you can see, the modifications weren't performance mods or major mods by any means, but it was quick, easy and a cheap install, and it really improved the look of the Honda. I think it's time for a pepperoni pizza.